I'm Sherri with HomeShowGardenPros, and I'm going to show you something. When you start watering the Azomite in that you've put in your lawn, garden, or vegetables, you can start to see how it breaks down really quick, and every time you water it, it breaks down even more. But I just love that you can actually see it breaking down and kind of turning into that milky liquid. I have Mike here with Azomite, and Mike, that was by design, correct?
Yes. We have 3 different forms. One of them is a field grit, the other one is a micronized, and this one is granular. And as you can see, when you apply the granular, it gives you more versatility. The micronized needs to be sprayed. The field grit is quite dusty.
Right.
But this, in its form of granular, is virtually dustless, goes exactly where you put it, and then you can water it to break it down right where you want it, not where you hope it went.
Yeah, the first time I bought Azomite, it was powder form, and I took it home, tried to put it out with a fertilizer spreader, and I looked like I got dusted with baby powder.
Yes.
So I didn't know what I was buying at the time. So now that I found this granulated Azomite, it is amazing. It is mess-free. It gets right where I need to put it, and I know it stays where I put it.
Absolutely.
Awesome. So get your Azomite.